Hey guys, alright guys, so today I am unboxing this IIWEY N6 Pro dash cam, and you know what, I figured, hey, I'll give you my honest first impression while I go through everything in this box, because there's actually quite a bit packed in here, and I'm actually glad the brand sent this over so I can give you my review. So right off the bat, opening the box, you're getting instructions, the wires all included. And, here you've got the main unit, which is the front camera. And then 3 additional cameras for the sides and rear. This is a 4-channel system, which honestly isn't something you see a lot in this price range. Now, most dash cams you find are just front and back, just 2 channels. And that leaves your sides completely exposed. With this one, the front camera records in native 4K, and the left, right, and rear cameras all record in 1080p simultaneously. So you end up with this full 360-degree coverage around the entire vehicle. I mean, I think this is amazing. If you've ever had a door ding in a parking lot, or someone sideswipe you and just drive off, you can believe me how frustrating this is. And guess what? You have zero proof, right? Now, this setup is built specifically to eliminate that blind spot problem. It also has a really strong option if you drive for Uber or Lyft, or if you're managing a fleet of vehicles because you want footage from every single angle in case something happens, right? Now, let's talk about the sensor for a second, because this is actually the part that impressed me the most. It's using the Sony STARVIS 2 sensor, which is a newer generation sensor that pulls in significantly more light than your typical dash cam sensor. And what that means is, practically, you're getting better night vision. A lot of the cheaper cams really struggle with the license plate at night because of oncoming headlights. Just wash everything out into a white blur. This camera has HDR built in specifically to handle that. I do also want to mention that if you want the full 24/7 parking mode, where it constantly is watching your car even when it's off and you're not around, you need to buy a separate hardware kit. It is not included in this box, so that's an extra purchase you'll need to factor in. But the what you get for the price, I mean, this is an amazing deal. And also, just a quick heads up on power, you need to use either the included car charger or the hardware kit specifically. But for all the features you're getting and the 4 camera coverage, the upgraded night vision, this is amazing. I hope this was helpful, and if you want, you can follow me for more.